Cool Kicks YouTube channel. We are back at the Citadel. I haven't been here. Have I even been here this year? I don't think so. They got some J's in the aisles. That's cool. But of course, we get 30% off the back wall. So this is where we're gonna start. This might be the cheapest of this colorway we've ever seen. $99.99. Then you get that 30% off, so 70 bucks, dude. That's definitely the cheapest we've seen this one. That is a size 9. Size 10 and a half. We're starting to see these go down and down in price. So everybody's gonna be able to afford Invincible Run Flyknit 3s. And these are just hella comfy. Everybody I've talked to. And I love Zoom X 130 for these. Air Force One highs going for regular price. 125 for these. Air Max 1 size, these are size 8, going for 75. Vomero 16s go for 100, size 11. The Billie Eilishes, what is the price for these? $80. These are size 11. I like this tan colorway too. But size 11, gonna be way too big. Saw another pair down here. Dang, they only have size 11s, huh? Moving up in size. Got these orange and lime colorway version of the Metcon 8s going for 65. That's hella cheap. I just realized I have been calling these Kukunis. Yeah, the commenter was right. My bad, you guys. Kukunis, $30. Size 13s. Invincible Run Flyknits, $150 for this colorway, size 12. Going to the bigger sizes. Jordan Post Slides down to 15. And I picked this one because the box is already open. There are these foam slides. Okay. All right, 15 bucks. Only if you're size 15 though. Size 13 Jordan 2s, 140. That brings us down to close to 100 bucks. Trying to do math in my head. But yeah, Infinity Run Flyknit 3s, 12 and a half, going for 95. I called these the Dornbeckers. My bad, you guys. This is the La Familia one right here. My bad, you guys. Someone did correct me in the comments. Appreciate that. But yeah, these ain't bad. These ain't bad. A little too bright for me. I don't think I'd wear that bright a pink, but I know some people would. Regular price, these are an Air Max 1 Premium. The Savelios right here go for 50. These are size 14, extended size pricing. Vaporfly Next Percent go for 175. These same Savelios, these are 85, so try to get that lower price on those. Zoom Freaks down to 70. All right, the big size is not so far from the clearance clothing, so we'll check this out right here. Dude, get 30% off the clearance apparel. You got a UCLA hoodie right here. Looking for the tag. Oh, here we go. 75 XXL. Pretty dope. USA soccer jersey. This is the women's team, though. This is for men's, but it's to represent the women's team. I don't know, dude. That don't make no sense. $95 right there. That's an Orlando jersey. Banchero, he's been balling like crazy. And yeah, man, this is what, 120 XXL. Interesting looking hoodie, extra fluffy, and has kind of a faux gold zipper right here. Never really seen these before. Looking for the tag. Yeah, these are 105. More UCLA hoodies right here. Got a vest. Medium going for 65. I still don't understand vests, you guys. Your arms are cold, but your body's not. I don't know. Got some UCLA shorts right here. XXL 55. Cargo pants that are hella baggy. Oh, it is a size 38, 100 bucks. Got some super premium fleece right here, going for 90. This is a rain jacket? What the hell? 130 for that XL rain jacket. Raincoat? I don't know. But yeah, this totally reminds me of the Burger King logo. Soul Food t-shirt. That's a kid's, man. I was like, how is this an XL? No price tag on that one. Not really seeing too much. Seeing a lot of stuff, but like a bunch of just t-shirts and stuff. Brazil t-shirt, $30. Sales are kind of whatever too. Tech fleece right here, 125 down to 124.97. At least you get 30 off. Jacket, $93. Another one of these, 200. That is the tech fleece right there. This is an old tech fleece, like the extra crunchy one. I think this is a women's, yeah. 155, just nothing on discount, man. Does get pretty packed here. All right, smaller section, not too packed. What is this? Shattered backboard colorway of the trainers? These are lows too. Okay, these go for $90, size 9. Oh yeah, this is what's up right here. The Jordan 14. These are the ones that just came out and someone already returned them. They did throw them on the back wall. A while back, they used to just throw everything behind the counters, and now everything is making it to the back wall, which is pretty dope. Okay. But yeah, these are fire, dude. These are fire. 210 for these. Got some pretty dope dunks right here. This one has a security tag on it. They keeping track of this one. 135. That's a premium right there. I thought these were dunks. Gamma Forces. 69.97. Got hella packed really quick over here. Jordan 1. Low SEs 120. These are size 9.5. Air Max 270s go for 110. Smaller size right here. Oh, these are dope, dude. These are the Dunk Premiums. And yeah, 7.5. This one's kind of dirty though. If you don't mind washing or cleaning them up a little bit. Never worn, but someone got some lipstick or something on them. But yeah, 120 for those. Those are 7.5. And we got some Forces, all black Forces. $115. 30% off. That's not bad. Got Blazers, 110. All right, it's getting packed as hell. Let's look at some of the aisles right here. Do you got 37s? Go for way too much. I hope you guys got these at Champs and Foot Locker because they were hella cheap there. Westbrook Take 2s right here. Jordan Zoom Separates. Center Courts. Jordan 13s. Jordan 1 High OGs right here. Got some Team J's right here, and then got the Jordan 1 Low OGs right here. Then another Team J right here. Then of course we got Witnesses. Always see Witnesses. Cosmic Unity 2s. Hyper Dunks. Been seeing a bunch of these. The Hyper Dunk Lows. Giannis's. And then the Zoom Freaks right there. These are the budget Giannis's, that is. And then got the Zoom GT Cut Academies right here. This is the Zoom GT line, but it's kind of the budget model. The Academies are usually the budget models. See that more with the cleats and stuff like that, but $95 on $100. Nike Calm Slides Volt colorway. Full Force Lows. The hell? Jumbo Mids. More Blazers, the Jumbos. Got some vintage 77 Blazers. Got some Dunks. Dunk Highs. Got some Air Spans right there going for 60. SB Alley-Oops. A trio of these. You can be patient on these because we've seen these fall in fall. Bill Shot 2 leathers right here. These two, they got some pretty nice leather on them. Got the Air Max 1s. We've been seeing these on sale at the retail shops. So eventually they'll go on sale here. Vapor Max 2023 Flyknits. Another one right here. Got some Air Max 90s. Air Max 2017s. We've been seeing a ton of these. I think I have this one at home. Dang, where is that? I don't even know where it is. I haven't worn it in a while, but I do have one of those. The Deep Royal. Got the Anthracite. And then got the Wolf Gray. Is that Wolf Gray or Bone Gray? Oh, the Pure Platinum one. Got some Terra Kygers. Then a bunch of different running shoes. A lot of Pegasuses. Pegasi, but we're seeing a little more variety. That's dope. With the Pegasus Trail 3s right here. Invincible Run Flyknits. Go for regular price though. Vaporfly Next Percents. These are the 3rd generation right here. Infinity Run 4s. We've been seeing these for way cheap at the clearance store. Then got the Free Runs right here. Got 3 or 4 different colorways. Oh, they have a Nike Free Next Nature too. Okay. And some more generic stuff right here. Revolutions, Renews, and that type of stuff. They do have some socks. The Heritage socks, and these go pretty high. Pretty high if you want to be down, you know, higher the socks, right? They got the really high ones right here. They're not super thick though. They're not super thick. They are kind of thin. They're not like the Nike Elite socks that are like really nice quality. 18 down to 15 for those right there. The little shorter ones, 15 as well. These are what, 2 pairs each. Got some thicker socks right here if you want some thicker ones. Got some wacky colors too. I know people have been way colorful with socks lately. Always got plenty of graphic tees. Dang, I've always seen these for 2 for $25. Got Zion hoodies right here, 65 for those. Ain't seen no additional discounts off this wall right here. 75 for the Lakers hoodie with the, I don't know which one that is. Is that the city one? I don't know, but that's the new one for this year. It does have nice little embroidering on the side. Has a Nike logo up on top as well. $95 though. And then got this one. Hopefully this one's cheaper because this one looks way cheaper. I don't see a price tag though. Then do got other Lakers like long sleeve shirts and stuff right here. These are going for $50, so pretty much regular price for everything. Did come upstairs. They got the kids. They got the women's. It is crowded as hell over here. Pricing not the greatest though. So we'll just take a look at a few things. Women's dunks right here. Jordan 1 comforts right here. These remind me of the Cliver dunks for some reason. Oh, you can see there. Oh, this is pretty dope actually. Got chrome Nike logo right there. 130 for these. They got up to size 9. Oh, I do see a size 11 women's. Jordan 1 high OG. These do come with regular laces too. Forces right here. More dunks in the aisles. Of course, more Air Forces too. These are some premiums. On bottom right here. Some mids. Platforms. Another premium MFer right here. Some Sabrinas. Then Jordan 12s right here. Under retail, they only have a size 9.5 though. 9.5 women's, that is. Got some Air Max 1s that are pretty interesting. Ton of suede on those. Air Max 90s. Got a canvas one right here. Air Max 270s. Got some Dunk low twist right here in a colorway I've never seen. Air Max Theas. Got all kinds of blazers in different colorways. Got some jumbos right here. Yeah, they got stuff. They got stuff. This spot used to have really dope prices, and they've come to realize like, hey, people are gonna shop here no matter what. This is kind of a tourist trap, so price is not the greatest. Selection does seem to be getting better, but just not seeing the lowest prices. Traffic is just way too high. Do got some Jordans in the grade school section right here. Jordan 2s and Jordan 3s right here. And then in the grade school aisles right here, got some Air Max 90s. Oh, this one's an interesting material and stuff. Not bad, not bad. And then do got plenty of Forces. Got some suede wheat colorway right there. Got more and more Forces. I'll go for a regular price mostly. This one's slightly discounted. And do got some Team J's right here. 2 trays. Plenty of those MVPs comforts. I think that's about it, man. All right, I'm gonna wrap things up. Starting to get crowded. It is noon. This place opens at 10 a.m. So not crazy crowded yet, but it's getting there. It's getting there. This is one of the busier outlet malls in LA. So there's almost always a crowd. But yeah, we're gonna wrap things up. Thanks so much for watching. Thanks so much for making it to the end. Make sure you help away. Press that like button if you're new. Subscribe. I think we're out, man. We are out.